This is Wednesday the 19th of January and this is the multiplication video for the 1.2 group. Today's success criteria is I can use my multiplication facts to solve calculations within 100. So I'm going to use my 100 square today then, because we are looking at numbers within 100 and we're trying to multiply them. So first of all, let's look at the example question here. 30 multiplied by 5. So that means we're making the number 30 5 times bigger. We could also say that as 30, add 30, add 30, add 30, add 30. So we're going to get a bigger answer. So let's first of all look at the 5 times table to help us on the numeracy map here. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So that's our 5 times table mapped out there on our numeracy map. So we're looking for 30 multiplied by 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to partition my number here. So I have 3 10s here and I have 0 here. So I'm just going to pretend for a little minute that that 0 is not there, and I'm going to do 5 times 3. 5 times 3. So let's look at my numeracy map. There's 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, and I've landed on the number 15. 5 times 3 is 15. But remember I said we have to have a bigger answer. So 5 times 30 can't be 15, but 5 times 3 is. So then we have to go ahead and add our 0. So 5 times 30 is 150. So we're using our tables facts, our 5 times tables facts, to help us to multiply these slightly bigger numbers. Okay? Let's look at another example then. If you had 70 multiplied by 5. So again, I'm going to partition that number and look for 7 times by 5 first of all. So using my tables facts to help me again. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 times 7 was 35. Remembering though, we have this 0 here, which we have to add on to the end. So 5 times 70 is 350. Now we can do that for any times table, not just the 5. So say we had a 2 times table question. So let's get our 2 times table set up. It goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. And we could keep going if we wanted to, but we'll stop there. So say I had the question 80 multiplied by 2. So again, we're going to use our existing knowledge of our tables facts to help us, and then we're going to add on that little extra 0. So we're going to do 2 times 8 first of all. So let's look at our 2 times table. Let's count 8 steps. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 times 8 is 16 we counted out. We have to add on that 0. So 2 times 80 is 160. That's all that you've got to do today, boys and girls. If you need a numeracy map to help you, which I would advise, then you can get that in the files section on Teams. You can alternatively Google it, and there's ones on Google for you to use as well. So good luck with that today, boys and girls. Remember to post your work on Class Dojo or Teams, and if you have any questions, please get in contact with me.